And it goes a little something like
Hello everyone, it's me Famel and welcome to my channel. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone who watched my last video, which is tips for senior high school STEM students. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do click the subscribe button below and the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Notify. So for today's video, I'm going to show you or teach you different ways on how to wear a scarf as a top. Without further ado, let's get into this video. By the way, I have a messy face right now because I'm practicing my makeup skills, so I'm sorry for that one. So I'm gonna be using different scarves with different designs. Be using this, also this. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will be transforming this scarf into a triangle top. You just need to fold it into half, then into half again to have it in a triangle shape. Then you just need to tie it at your back until it hugs your body. Then if you want to hide yung sobrang tela sa likod, you can tie it, then hide it. Next, for this second style, it's my own experiment, so I will just name it a one-sided top with tie in front. For this top, you just need to tie it in front like what I did in the video, and you need a tube top behind it. I like this top because it is so cute and so stylish that you can use it in many occasions or events. For this one, I will just call it a cross neck top. It's so easy, you just have to tie it on behind your neck. Also, if you want to have or to put style in it, you can roll the one that is covering or wrapping your neck. For the next style, I will just be tying the scarf in front, so it will have this effect, and it's just so simple and cute. For the next one, I will just be turning this scarf into a tube top, and it's very easy. You just have to fold the scarf, then tie it at your back. Then for the sixth one, I also don't know how to call it, but it's also like a one shoulder top with tie at the back. For the last one and my favorite, I will be making this scarf into a halter top. You just have to tie it around your neck, then you need to style it at the bottom, then fold it up to the length that you want. You can adjust the length of your halter top depending on your preference. So I fold it up to my waist. And that's it. You already have a halter top from a scarf. Very simple and very easy. So sorry guys if may mga parts na medyo hindi maayos, but ayun, natapos na rin natin. So it's a wrap. That's it guys for this video. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So thank you all for watching. Bye bye.